Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to your channel, The Anatomy Canvas. And in today's class, I am going to discuss with you the model of the pancreas. So, this is the model of the human body, in which you can see this is the liver. And when we will remove the liver, you can also see this is the stomach. So, now I remove the stomach to show you the position of the pancreas. So, this pancreas is present almost transversely on the posterior abdominal wall, and it is on the posterior abdominal wall and is a retroperitoneal in position. So these are the different relationship of the pancreas which you can see in this model. Posteriorly it is related to the aorta and the inferior vena cava and the renal artery and the renal vessels, and on the sides it is related to the curve of the duodenum. Over here you can see the root of the mesentery, which is attached to its anterior border, the anterior border of the body of the pancreas. So these are the this is the position of the pancreas. It is present in the posterior abdominal wall in a transverse position, and it is related to the stomach and the duodenum. So I again place the stomach over here to show you the relationship. So this is the stomach and it is present behind the stomach. These are the different parts of the stomach which continues as the duodenum, and then I place the liver in its position back. So dear student, this is another beautiful model being made by our students. So here you can see in this model that this is the pancreas. It is present transversely in the posterior abdominal wall. This is the head of the pancreas, the neck of the pancreas, the body of the pancreas, and tail of the pancreas, which is related to the spleen. This pancreas, here you can see the three borders: the superior border of the pancreas, which is related to the duodenum; the inferior border of the pancreas, which is related to the again to the duodenum and the inferior mesenteric vessels, and the right lateral border of the pancreas, which is present in the curve of the C. And here you can see the bile duct is present, and it is related to the bile duct, the accessory pancreatic duct, and also to the this border is related to the anastomosis between the superior and inferior pancreatico-duodenal arteries. In the section in the center you can see that this is the main pancreatic duct, which is present in the substance of the pancreas, starts near the origin of the tail, runs in the body, neck, and then enters into the head of the pancreas. And here you can see this main pancreatic duct joins the bile duct to form the common duct, which enters into the major duodenal papilla. This one is the accessory pancreatic duct, also called the duct of Santorini, which enters into the duodenum at the minor duodenal papilla. So this is another beautiful model which is made by our students. This is another model of the pancreas, and in this model you can see the different parts of the pancreas and its relationship. So first, this is again I show it is a J-shaped organ, and it is present on the posterior abdominal wall. So this organ has the head, the constricted part, which is called the neck of the pancreas, then the body of the pancreas, and the tail of the pancreas. So head has two surfaces, the anterior surface and the posterior surface. Overall, this pancreas has three borders. So this one is the superior border of the pancreas, the right lateral border of the pancreas, and the inferior border of the pancreas. The superior border of the pancreas is related to the branches of the gastroduodenal artery, and this area is related celiac trunk and gastroduodenal artery. The right lateral border is related, it is present in the curve of the duodenum, and it is related to the common bile duct, the accessory pancreatic duct, and also to the anastomosis between the superior and inferior gastroduodenal artery, which is not shown over here. This one is the inferior border of the pancreas, which is related to the inferior pancreatic, the superior pancreatic vessels. In this section, you can see this is the main pancreatic duct, which is running from the tail through the body to the neck into the head of the pancreas, and here it will join the bile duct to form the common bile duct, which will open into the major duodenal papilla. And also this one is the accessory pancreatic duct, and it will open into the minor duodenal papilla. This one is the cross section of the duodenum, and here in this section you can see many plica circularis which are present over here. On the posterior aspect, you can see this area is the uncinate process. This area is the uncinate process of the head of the pancreas, and it projects slightly towards the left. This is the superior mesenteric vein, which is joined by the splenic vein and the superior mesenteric artery, and this one is the bile duct. This is all about this model. Now we move on to the next model. This one is the another model of the pancreas, and in this model you can see, in this model again you can see this is the area, these are the different relationship of the pancreas which are present over here. So in this model you can see the head of the pancreas, the neck of the pancreas which is related to the posteriorly to the superior mesenteric vessel. This is body, and then the tail of the pancreas, and this tail of the pancreas is present in the renal ligament along with the splenic vessels. It is related to the spleen. This one is superior border, and here you can see the celiac trunk which is present over here. This celiac trunk gives off three branches. One is the splenic artery, other is the hepatic artery, and third one is the short gastric artery, which is not shown over here in this model. So this hepatic artery gives off the gastroduodenal artery, and then it becomes the hepatic artery proper, where it divides into right and left branches to supply the different lobes of the liver. This gastroduodenal artery then runs in the curvature. It gives off different branches, and one of the branch is the superior pancreatico-duodenal artery, which will anastomosis near the right lateral border of the pancreas with the inferior pancreatico-duodenal artery. So these are the cross section of the duodenum, showing you the plica circularis over here. This one is the gallbladder, the body of the gallbladder, and then is neck of the gallbladder, the cystic duct, the hepatic ducts. They join together to form the common bile duct. This bile duct then, along with the main hepatic duct, enters into the duodenum at major duodenal papilla. This one is the minor duodenal papilla. Here you can see the superior mesenteric vessels are present. This one is the curve of the duodenum, and then continuity of the jejunum. This area is related to the ileum, and this all is the section of the liver. Now the another model of the pancreas. In this model you can see again the head of the pancreas, neck of the pancreas, the body of the pancreas, and the tail of the pancreas. Very important to show you the celiac trunk which is present over here. This celiac trunk giving off the hepatic artery, which is giving another branch, the gastroduodenal artery, which will form the superior hepatopancreatico-duodenal artery. This artery is a branch of the celiac trunk. This is the splenic artery, and this splenic artery, on posterior aspect you can see this is the splenic vein, and this is the splenic artery, and this area is the tail of the pancreas. So tail of the pancreas along with splenic vessels, it is present into the it is related to the spleen. Now the superior border of the pancreas, so it is related to the celiac trunk and its branches. The inferior border of the pancreas, which is related to superior mesenteric and right lateral border. And on posterior aspect again you can see this one is the splenic artery, the superior mesenteric splenic vein and superior mesenteric vein, they join to form the portal vein. So here in this area you can see the portal vein as well, the uncinate process which is visible over here, and here you can see this is the curve of the C-shaped curve of the duodenum where this pancreas is present, the head of the pancreas is present. So this is all about the models of the pancreas. Thank you very much for your attention, and Allah Hafiz till the next class.